Hello, welcome to all my dear student to this online lecture. Today's our topic is Notepad and this is your computer lecture and I am your computer teacher. My name is Shweta Yadav as you know and today's our topic is Notepad. In the previous 3-4 lecture we already studied the Notepad topic, but in this lecture also we study Notepad so we can complete the last topic, the uses of shift key and write the symbols, the different symbols. For that, let's start our lecture. First of all, I hope you all are fine at your home. Take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe, and wash your hand continuously with alcohol based hand rub. Cover your mouth with the mask. Now see, in the previous lecture what we will study. So in the previous lecture we studied that how to start Notepad window, how to write numbers and letters, and exercise also we can done in the previous lectures, right? So in this lecture we can see this short description. So you can just remember again that we learned in the previous lecture. So see in the next slide, this is our desktop window and we call them desktop window because it is our first screen of our monitor. And in this lecture we can open the Notepad. You can see that how to start a Notepad in the previous lecture also, but in this lecture you can see this slide so you can remember again then how which step is used to start Notepad and how to start. So this is our desktop window. It is very mostful use because in the desktop window we start the all program installed in the computer. So in the desktop window what we have to find? Which bar? Taskbar. Which bar? We have to find taskbar. So first of all, where is the taskbar? Where is this taskbar from the desktop window? It is on the bottom of the desktop window. As you can see here the white color line. You can see this white color line. It is our desktop bottom line and we call them taskbar. What? We call them taskbar. So you can understand that where is the taskbar? Yes. So at the bottom of the desktop, the white border, we call them taskbar. So see here, we have to click on the type here to search. You can see here this type here to search. It is called the search tab. So we have to click here and we have to write the Notepad spelling. Why? Because we want to open Notepad. So we have to type Notepad spelling because we have to open the Notepad. So write the Notepad spelling to search tab. You can see here the Notepad spelling and her icon. This is icon of Notepad. So we have to click here and the Notepad window will be open. What? Notepad window will be open. So we have to just click on the Notepad icon so it will be open. See, this Notepad window will be open by clicking on the Notepad icon or text. The white color, this page, it is our Notepad window. You can understand clearly because in the previous 3 lecture we can continue know that Notepad window and how to start Notepad window. Let's see again this slide. We can start it here, right? We started our lecture from here by typing the numbers with spacing, without spacing, writing the letters with the spacing, without spacing, and writing the words also, and then sentence. Use the full stop also, write the long sentence also. Yes, this all thing we can learn in the previous lecture with the use of keyboard with the use of keyboard and the Notepad program. Yes, see, we can write a paragraph also, write in the capital letter also. So anyone can tell me the which key is used to type in a capital letter? Which key? Which key is used to write in a capital letter, students? Which key? the caps lock key and the shift key. The both key is used to type in a capital letter, but difference is that the shift key is used to type only the particular letter or numbers we have to write in a capital, so we use the shift key. But whenever we write the all sentence, all the numbers, all the paragraph in the all capital letter, then we can use only caps lock. So this is a difference of caps lock and shift key. Main use is simple, to write in a capital letter, but the difference is here. Now see, this is our exercise and we can done in the previous lecture, but it is just for your remember. The first question is, which one of the following is the correct way to open the Notepad application? And answer is, click on the search button from the taskbar, write the Notepad and click on the Notepad icon. So it is the correct way to start a Notepad application. Now, second question, which one of the following should be clicked to save the existing Notepad window? As the name suggests, the option correct is the B, SAVE, save. Save is used to save the existing Notepad window. Now, next question, which one of the following needs to be clicked to change the size of the words in the Notepad application? Which one is used to change the size? Font. Which one? Font. So font is the correct option to change the size of the words. Now see the fourth question. What is the extension of file which Notepad document is saved? Then .txt. .txt is the Notepad extension. What? Whenever we are saving our file, it have .txt extension of Notepad only, not any other application, just for Notepad. Now see the next question. Which menu in Notepad has 2 or 3 option word? And the answer is format tab. Which format tab? Format tab is used to option word wrap and font. We have this option in the format tab. Now see the next question. Which item is not there in the Notepad menu bar? Insert. Which one? Insert. Insert is not in the menu bar. Now, which tab is used to open saved file while working with Notepad? Then answer is open. Whenever we have to open the existing file in our computer, we have to just click on the open tab to open the Notepad file. Now see the next question. Which key is used to type a number? Simple. The number key is used to type numbers. Which key is used to write letters and words? For writing our letters and words, we use only letter key. Which key? Only letter key. Which key is used to put a space between numbers and letters? Which key? Space bar key. Which key? Space bar key is used to put a space between numbers and letters. Now again I am saying that shift key and the caps lock key is used to type in a capital letter. You can see here, this is our keyboard, right? And the caps lock key is here and the shift key is here. So caps lock key and the shift key, both key is used to type in a capital letter. Now see, this is our space bar key, the longest key from the keyboard, the space bar key. You can see here these left arrow, right arrow, down arrow and up arrow. This 4 arrow is used to go on the screen upside, downside, left side and the right side. Now enter key. You can see here ENTER, write the spelling here. Enter. Enter key is used to go to the next line. Whenever we have to go to the next line, then we can press only enter key. So we can Go in the next line, delete key. You can see here the DEL is written here. So delete key. Delete key is used to delete a letter number from the right side of the cursor. What? Right side of the cursor. We can see the difference in this lecture, but this is for a short explanation. And this arrow, you can see this arrow, it is a backspace key. And what is the use of backspace key? To erase letter and word from the left side of the cursor. What? Where from? Left side of the cursor. We can remove anything from the left side using this key. Yes. Now see, in the previous lecture we can see the uses of shift key, write a paragraph also, and write some special symbols also, right? We can done this in the previous lecture. You can see here, this is our previous lecture notepad screenshot that I am took here for your reminder that we have written the shift key is used to write in a capital letter. You can see here the L letter is capital. Yes, because we are pressing the shift key. Then S letter is small. Why S letter is small? Because we are not pressing the shift key. In the next line, you can see here the S letter is capital. Why? Because we are pressing shift key and pressing S letter both at a time. So S letter become capital, but the HWETA is written in the small letter because we are not pressing shift key, we are just pressing keys. You can see in the next line also we are writing S, H and A, three letter only in capital, but WET it written in a small letter. Why? Whenever we are pressing S as well as we are pressing shift key also, both we are pressing same time, shift and S, we are pressing both at a time, so the S become bigger. And H also pressing one finger on H, one finger on shift key, both press at a time, so H become bigger. Then A letter is capital, so it's the same. We have to press A letter and the shift key both at a time, so A letter become capital. Next, you can see the paragraph also here written. I is capital, then all letter is small, F is a capital, 1 to 4. I is capital here, all letter in a small, M is capital, E is capital and S is capital. So whenever we are come here and pressing the shift key and write the S letter, E letter, M letter, it become bigger and any other is small. So it is the uses of shift key we can see in the previous lecture. Remember or not? You can remember or not, students? I think you have to remember, otherwise we are repeating again. And in this we are started the special symbols. So now we have to start a notepad and just practice again the shift key, use of shift key and the special symbols. So in this lecture we can continue this topic. So again I am open the notepad window. What? Again I am opening the notepad window. You can see here this notepad window will be appear on your screen. The white color page you can see here. It is a white color page notepad application. Yes, notepad application. Okay, now see, this is our notepad window. The white color, by pressing here the cursor will be appear. What? By clicking here the cursor will be appear. You can see here the black color blinking line, vertical blinking line. It is called cursor. What? It is called cursor. Yes. So you have to must see the cursor position whenever you are writing. What? Whenever you are writing, you have to must check the cursor. Where is the cursor from the screen? If cursor is here, that the writing letter started from here, but cursor is here, then the letter become started here. So must you have to check the cursor position. What? You must have to check the cursor positions. So now see, we are started writing. So first of all, what you have to write? What you have to write? For example, I am writing about me. What? Myself. So first heading, what should I give? Myself. What? Myself. So I have to write myself, then the spelling is my, my. So I have to write M in a capital. What? M in a capital letter. So which key is used? Which key is used to type in a capital letter? Shift key. Which key? Shift key is used to type in a capital letter. So first of all, I am opening the virtual keyboard that you can understand the which key is shift key. So this is our virtual keyboard on the screen. Now see, I am pressing the shift key. Then you can see here the blue color line indicate that I am pressing the shift key. So now I want to press M. So shift plus M. Then M will be written here in the capital. Now what? My. So M Y, my. What? M and Y from here. My self. Now press the space bar and give a space and write self spelling. So what is the self spelling? SELF, self. So S should in a capital. Yes. So again press the shift key and S letter. So S, then E L F, self. My self. Again put a space and enter key. Now see, I want to click here again and put a space, so it become in the center of the notepad screen. So it is here myself. Now again come here and press the enter key. So now enter key on the next line, the first line. So what? The first line we have to write name, my name. So the sentence is, my name is Shweta and our surname. For example, your name and your surname. So write M, M in a capital letter. So press the shift key and write M Y, put a space, my name spelling N A M E, name space I as is space S H W E T A, Shweta, put a space again, then Y A D A V, Yadav. Yes. So first sentence is written here. You can see here, my name is Shweta Yadav, and put a full stop. So where is the full stop? Here. So click here. Then full stop will be appear. Now you can see here the full stop have also greater than sign. You can see here the greater than sign. Why the greater than sign is not printed here, only the full stop will be printed here? Because the greater than sign is the top of the key and the full stop is the bottom of the key. So remember this, the bottom of symbols is print by clicking just, but we have to print less than, greater than, or I say that we have to print the top of the symbols, then we use shift key. What? We use shift key to press the top of the symbols. For example, see, I am pressing the shift key. Now again I am pressing the same key. What? Again I am pressing the same key. So see which is print here? The greater than sign. Understanding the difference? For example, again I am showing the concept. Just simple I am pressing, the full stop is printed. Why? Because it is the bottom of the keys. Now see, I am pressing the shift key and this key. Then greater than sign will be appear. So this is the difference of shift key that we can use for writing the symbols also. The shift key is also right to put symbols also. Now come to the next line by pressing the enter key. Write the second sentence. So what I am second writing? I am a computer teacher. So I should in a capital letter. So press the shift key. Then I space A am. I am space a space C O M P U T E R. Computer space T E A C H E R. Teacher. What? I am a computer teacher. Put a full stop. The second sentence will be completed. Now enter key and come to the next line. So now third sentence. Then what is the third sentence? I am working on the Mahdi English school. This is my third sentence. So I am writing that I should capital. Press the shift key and write I A M M space I am sorry backspace to erase this. I am working 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 space on. Then which school I am working? I am working on Mahdi English School. So here I have to write M in a capital letter. So again shift key and M, then A H D I. Mahdi, again space E in a capital. So again shift key E N G L I S H English. Put a space again and write a school spelling. Put a full stop here so you can understand the use of shift key for capital letter. Now see that the symbols, how do we print symbols. Now you can see here the different symbols. Yes, we are pressing these symbols by two ways, the bottom way and the top way. Now see, simple pressing, then this sign will be appear. Now see the different shift key pressing. I am pressing the shift key, the blue line is on. Now see, I am pressing this key again. Then till sign, you can see this, it is called till sign will be appear the top of the design symbol. Now see, I am pressing the one number, then it just simple press the one number, but I am pressing the shift key. You can see here the blue color line is on, so shift key will be on. Now see, I am again pressing the one number. Since you can see here the exclamation symbols will be appear, so you can see the difference. Top of the symbol will be printed by pressing the shift key only, by pressing the shift key only. Now see 2 number, then the 2 is print, but I want to print the at the rate sign. What? I have to print at the rate sign. So I just press the shift key and then this sign, then you can see the at the rate will be print here. Yes, now the 3 number, now I have to print the hashtag sign. So 3 number at the top we have a hashtag sign, you can see here. So again press the shift key and the 3 number, then you can see here the hashtag sign will be display. Yes, the hashtag sign is here. Now the 4 number, and 4 number have the dollar symbol. Which symbol? Dollar symbol. So now see, I am pressing the shift key and then the 4 number key. You can see this dollar sign is printed here. Yes, this is a dollar sign. Now see the 5th number, 5 number, and it have a percentage sign. Which sign? Percentage sign. So shift key and press the 5 number. So you can see the percentage sign will be appear. Now 6 number, press the shift key and 6. You can see the symbols also printed here. Now the 7 number, 7 is printed. Now press the shift key and see again the press the 7 number. You can see the ampersand will be appear. Yes, ampersand will be appear. Now see 8 number. Now press shift key and write again. Then the star will be printed here. Multiplication sign and the star, we can say both. Now see the 9 number and press the shift key and see the difference. See here the braces, you can see the round bracket, we can call them round bracket. Again press the 0. Yes, here click and 0, then press the shift key and this. You can see this is a round bracket. Which bracket? Round bracket. Yes, so it is a round bracket. Now see, press this. So simple dash sign, but shift key and this key, then underscore. What? Underscore. This is the two different till sign, dash sign. Now see the equal sign. Equal to is printed, but I want to print this plus sign. So press the shift key and then press, then the plus sign will be printed. Now come to the next line by pressing the enter key. Now see this sign, the square bracket and this curly bracket. This key have a square bracket and the curly bracket, opening and ending, opening and ending. So first we are pressing this key normally, then the square bracket is printed. Now see the square bracket is closed. Now see, I have to print this curly braces. You can see it is called a curly braces. What? A curly braces. Now again pressing the shift key and press this, so it is opening and it is closing, closing, opening, closing, opening. Yes, now see this, press this, so division sign, it is our division sign, but by pressing the shift key and this key, then you can see this line, straight line. Yes, now see the semicolon. By pressing this normally, semicolon is printed, but we are pressing the shift key and this key, then comma. What? Comma. The comma is printed. Now see the single quote. By pressing single, the single quote is printed, but using the shift key and this key, then double quote. What? Double quote. You can see the double quote. Now see the single quote. Yes. Now see here the comma. Single clicking, so it is a comma, but the shift key, then it will be less than sign at the top of the sign, right? At the top of the sign, then it is the full stop. By pressing the shift key, the greater than sign is printed. Yes, now see this sign is also is single clicking, but we have to press the question mark, then shift key and this key. So the question mark will be printed. Yes, the question mark is printed. Yes, you can see here the question mark is printed here. Now see this key. The cursor we move up side, down side again, left side. You can see here the cursor is moving again right side. Yes, so it is come right, left, up, down. So these all are our symbols of on the keyboard, and we are using the shift key for printing the symbols. Yes, so today's is our lecture is over here. I hope you are understanding this shift key use and the symbols. If you are having a computer or laptop at your home, please practice for writing so your skill will be more improver. Bye everyone. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.